Okay, welcome to the first video about we designing YouTube with Canva. YouTube has a lot of stuff that you can actually use Canva to design. So in order to make these understandable, we are going to make a separate video on YouTube thumbnail and YouTube channel art. In order to make this understandable, we are going to search for YouTube here, which is going to list out all the stuff that YouTube has and which one specifically you would love to design or use Canva to do. So now you can design your YouTube channel art, which you are going to see the video below. YouTube display art, which is also something that is going to make sense. YouTube icon and different things are something you can use Canva to design. Let me show you what YouTube icon looks like precisely. So let's go to youtube.com. So the YouTube icon is the little icon that shows up when someone is about to, like your profile picture to be precise, to make that look short. Something like this is this person's YouTuber icon. Something like this. If you understand well, let's search for someone like Brownlee. So someone like Brownlee Marquez. So if you see his own YouTube icon, it's kind of looking professional. So something like this is something you can actually design here with the dimension, which is 400 by 800 by 800. And we can also use YouTube video art, YouTube tutorial, thumbnail, beauty. So all these thumbnail ones are kind of something that is going to be specifically for that niche. So you are going to see templates that are related to those tutorial niche, beauty niche, and food niche. So you actually don't really need it that much, because they have the same size with the YouTube thumbnail, which we are still going to watch the video of about below. Now, in order to understand, let's try to do YouTube icon first, then I'll show you the YouTube video art and YouTube video in short. So this is the dimension, and this is something short, something simple that you can just use. If you notice the words, it's kind of sharp, it's kind of showing up so that someone can actually see it from afar. No matter how small it's going to be, you are going to see it easily from here. If you see it, it's going to, the background, the text color, it's sharp, you can easily see it, and that's going to help your channel a lot. We can start with something like a blank canvas. So with that, you can design something catchy, something that is going to be easily seen. So now I think it's a video. Now you can select this template, then if you play something like PNG, understand, so you can easily change any of the words here to what you really need. You can delete these. So the giveaway, something you have to put in mind there is that this is something you must make sure it's obvious for everybody that is coming to your channel. Let's imagine they just search for your channel. Let's filter by just a channel list. So they can easily see this, or even beside your videos, it will be shown there. This place. It must be obvious for everybody to see. They must see it ASAP. Immediately they enter your channel, they must see it, and it must catch their attention. So you can easily remove anything here and make sure the design is fit based on your niche. I'm going to make a video about you trying to check up what your competitors are doing, and you are going to use that one to judge what you are going to design. With that, you can make an accurate picture or YouTube icon picture to make sure you get more clicks and more subscribers. So now let's move to something like the YouTube video art. So let's search again, YouTube video ad or display ad. Let's just go for YouTube video. Something like this YouTube video is what you can use for your maybe some your intro. So there are tons of little videos that you can use for free here. You can export them out. Let me see anyone that I can just play with so that you can see that those templates that Canva provide are actually okay for any niche. So let's keep scrolling. I think I saw one that's got my okay. Something like this is going to be okay. You see, something like this is going to be perfect. You can make your own video, a little video of your own, or maybe your phone recording. You can actually do your inputs, your own phone recording here. Then you just make it something. This is so perfect. You can do your phone screen recording, then you just embed it, you upload it from here. You can just delete this one, then add that one here. You fit it inside this black stuff, and you change the names, change the color. You know how we are going to do it. Like, it's simple, you can easily do it. I'm still going to cover almost everything in other upcoming videos that you are going to see. So I'm just trying to show you different templates and different things you can play with. Also, this one too is cool based on your niche and where you need them. Tons of things are on Canva. Okay, so in other videos I'm going to go in details of each functions and how to use them specifically for YouTube thumbnail, YouTube channel art, and YouTube icon. I think I've cleared the part of the YouTube icon, so you just have to make sure maybe your picture and the background of the picture, your clothes when you are taking the picture, if you want to use a picture for the YouTube thumbnail, YouTube icon, so you can make sure it's something that is pop and you're looking great. At least smile a bit, you understand? So a little smile will do. So that will help a lot. I think that's all for this video.